Morning boomers, the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Back with the morning update. Happy Monday to everybody. Looking good. Things are opening up here. Even the restaurants open up at 50% capacity. There's not one person in there. But hopefully this week we can get back to one step closer to normal economic activity. As we open up this Monday, I'm looking at the stock futures and they're up like almost 3%. Expect the Fed to pump. On Friday, they announced a lending program. More money, more funny bunny money being pumped into these markets, guys. I told you, watch for a pullback. That pullback happened, and they're going to pump this thing even more, it appears. So, keep your eyes on that. You got Bitcoin there, about 9,500, holding strong. But the talk today is going to be these stocks. Tomorrow, the Fed will be talking before Congress about this economic stimulus and the bailout, or whatever they want to call it. The CARES Act, the PPE, the payment protection. I know they're going to talk tomorrow in front of the Congress. And then on Friday, they announced the lending program. So between the lending program and whatever they're about to say tomorrow, I think this is extremely bullish with a 3%. It looks like almost 3% opening today on the stock market. So that's what's going on. This guy's bringing his little dog out to play. Very nice. Anyhow, I got my eyes on that. How about silver? Silver's another one that's pumping like no other. It's up like $17. So that's sexy. Shout out to silver. So shout out to the metalhead. Silver now ahead of gold. So that's good. So I'm seeing all of it, guys. I'm excited. I did my weekly move, and I told you I'll be documenting this as well. My weekly options put credit spread on Robinhood. And I've been doing it on eBay these past couple of weeks, and I also did it on eBay this week. But I added a wild card, actually. NVIDIA. NVIDIA seemed to promise a better return on my investment, according to the numbers I was looking at there with the put credit spread. So I gave it a whirl. With eBay, I put a $200 collateral down to try to make $50 by the end of the week if eBay stays above, I think, $41. And then with NVIDIA, I forgot my strike price, but it's really low. So it's about 75% chance of winning there. NVIDIA, it's $250 collateral for an $80 credit. So with this collateral, let's say if you put a $200 collateral and you get a $50 credit, then the most you could really lose is $150. And then this NVIDIA play, it's $250 collateral, but I get an $80 credit. So $250 minus 80, that's $170. So 170 plus 150, that's 320 to be. So I'm putting 320 is the most I'm risking to win, or not win, to gain or keep the credit of 80 plus 50. So that's 130. So that's, that's about 30% return on investment if things go as planned. Remember, the price needs to stay the same or go up. So all I'm hoping for is if the price stays the same or goes up on both eBay and NVIDIA. I have some wiggle room. It could go down a little bit. More wiggle room.